English news for learners. Today is July 5th. Today we have 3 interesting stories. We will talk about wind energy in Akita. We will look at AI art restoration in Tokyo. Finally, we discuss a zero-waste convenience store. Let us begin today's lesson. Akita no風力発電. A new project has started in Akita. It is a large floating wind farm. This facility uses strong sea winds. It creates clean energy for the Tohoku region. The site has 15 big wind turbines. They produce 150 megawatts of power. This is 20% more efficient than older models. These turbines sit in deep water. This technology is vital for Japan's geography. The project will power 80,000 households. This helps the environment significantly. The facility will be ready by early 2028. It is a major step for renewable energy. Japan is working hard for a greener future. This project shows great progress in the energy sector. We hope to see more of these farms soon. Next topic. AI is using new technology. A Tokyo museum is using new technology. They are working with AI researchers now. Their goal is to restore old paintings. These works are from the Edo period. The paintings have faded over many years. AI analyzes the original pigments carefully. It recreates the colors from long ago. The computer restored 50 scrolls in 3 months. Traditional methods would take over 5 years. This is a very fast way to save art. Many old paintings were too fragile to show. Now the public can see them clearly. A special exhibition opens this September. It will feature these beautiful restored works. This is an amazing use of modern technology. It helps protect Japanese history for everyone. It bridges the gap between old and new. Moving on to our final story. Gomi Zero no Coin Bini. A leading shop has a new concept. It is a zero-waste convenience store. The store uses predictive AI for food. It matches inventory with daily customer needs perfectly. Standard stores often throw away food. They waste about 10 to 15% daily. This new shop reduced food disposal by 95%. The test was very successful in its first month. This saves money and helps the environment. The company wants to open 100 more stores. They will expand to many urban centers soon. The pilot program will continue until 2026. Retail waste is a big challenge in Japan. This new model is a smart solution. It shows how AI can solve social problems. This is an exciting development for modern retail. That is all the news for today. Today we learned about wind farms, AI art, and green stores. You are doing a great job with your English. Please keep listening and practicing every day. Thank you for joining me today. See you in the next episode.